Hey guys, it's Nick, also known as Zippy Zombo, and this is going to be an unboxing video of this GoPro Hero 3 Plus Silver Edition. So let's go ahead and get started. You can see from the start actually, it's got the very solid plastic casing on the top, and it's the 10 megapixel version with the 1080p at 60 frames per second compared to the white edition, which is 1080p at 30 FPS. I might have said feet per second, I meant frames per second. Yeah, and the white edition is also 5 megapixel instead of a 10 megapixel, so let's go ahead and get started. I've wanted a GoPro for a while, and I got one on Black Friday for a good deal. So, and I wouldn't really mind having a white one, but I really wanted the silver one most, because, you know, it's better, of course, so, you know. And I'm sorry if I cut anything out of the image, because I can't actually see the screen, so I'm just hoping it looks okay. I'm kind of glancing at it every once in a while, but if anything's ever cut out, that's why. Well, I guess you have to cut this individual one off here. Save the knife again. Alright. I can open up this box. And we have, I believe this is the back for the camera. This is the USB cable, which actually says GoPro on it. It's a USB type B mini, not the micro like what phones use. This is one of the mounts, and this is also another one of them. Not really sure how to use them. And it also comes with these 3M adhesive ones. Not really sure how to use any of those specifically. And the battery here, which is a trying to see the milliamp hours on it, but 1180 milliamp hours. Alright, so now there's another opening in here. It might just open, I'm not really sure. I'm actually going to pause the video here for a second and figure it out. Alright, so I got that open, and now we have the book here, GoPro Hero 3 Silver Edition, and warranty and disclaimers here. And three GoPro stickers here. And there's another book. This one here. It's the quick start guide. And then I believe this whole part of the box just comes off. There's also this here. Oh, that didn't work. I'm going to pause it again until I figure this out. Alright, so here you can see, finally figured that out. You just pull that part out, and then you're left with this part. Then you have this taped layer here. That you pull off. And then you get this hard plastic case. Then you have the GoPro here. Then you can also pull things out from this side. I'm actually going to pause it for a second and figure this out. Alright, so then you can take this off of here with this giant screw here, and I think you're supposed to throw this away, but I'm not really sure. Not too worried about it. I gotta put this all back in the box until Christmas anyway. So, yeah. So then you're left with this and this little cheap plastic here that you're, like I said, you're supposed to throw away according to the box. And then you have the actual GoPro here. So I'm going to pop open this case. Oh, and I believe I figured out what this is. This one is the non-waterproof back, and then the other one is the waterproof back. So it affects sound. It affects your microphone, how good it sounds. So then you pop that out like, oh sorry, didn't get that on the camera. If you want to take it off, you just pull here and flip up, and then open it up, and then you take the actual camera out, and then you have this, the smallest, most expensive camera I've ever seen. And now I will push this little spring here, spring-loaded lever, and I would assume that it would make the back come off like that. Just dump it out. Put the battery in. Maybe it goes this way. It's got this little thing on it. I guess that's to pull it out with. Yep, like that. And then put this side on here. You got it. So I guess it might be dead. Oh, nope, it's not. Hero 3 Plus version 2. Of course, there's no SD card, and the battery is at half, so that's pretty decent. So I gotta get an SD card for it. So you can see we have, oh, I guess that whole thing comes off. I found it, so I'll have to grab it. You have your USB charging port, and micro HDMI, and micro SD card. And that looks like it's about it. And then you push this button here, and it starts recording. But, of course, like I said, I don't have an SD card in it yet. But, yeah. And then this port here is for the screen you can buy for it, so I'm actually going to turn it off. And there you go. Alright, and I believe that is it. So thanks everyone for watching.